So guys, I'm going to explain one of the situation in my organization. So we are using Cisco 4331 routers, integrated service routers. So when you purchase, right, the device entire, it can accept 100 Mbps. The device, how exactly it look like? ISR 4331. We have bunch of devices. Today also I made a video. Backside you will see in my Hyderabad office, bunch of 4331 routers. ISR 4331. So if you come to Hyderabad, it is good. You can see all these devices. Okay. So this is a device, Cisco 4331 router, integrated service router. In my company also I'm using it. Now we are going to log in also. Okay. So what happened, So it is by default accepting 100 Mbps. Okay. So I have taken 300 Mbps internet connection. Okay. So I'm checking through my Wi-Fi access points. I'm getting 100 Mbps only. My access points having a 1G access points. So however I'm getting 100 Mbps. I was checking and troubleshooting. I was complaining about ISP. Hey ISP, you guys are giving 100 Mbps only. I'm taking 300 Mbps. I cut a ticket with them, and then they came here and they checked it in their local laptop by directly connecting to the laptop, and they tested it. It is coming 300 Mbps. Okay. So now I decided, they said the issue with your router. Now I started checking it. So I checking configuration in my router. It is saying that it is accepting only 100 Mbps. Okay. So what I did, I log into my router, I increase the bandwidth of the router, and it is accepting 300 Mbps. Okay. So this is my router. Okay. So let me, oh sorry. uh, okay, before that, let me open a duplicate. So I'm in Hyderabad right now. My router is located in Karnool. Even though I'm able to log in. Okay, load it. Okay, 1 second. 103.206 dot. Okay, Arish. 1 second, guys. Let me log in and show you how to increase my bandwidth. Okay. 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 Finally, it is asking a prompt. Okay. So now I successfully logged in. You see, right, everyone?
Yes,
Hello.
Sumit.
So now, so enable it. Sorry. Okay. Now you can check show platform hardware throughput. The hardware throughput was how much? It was 100 Mbps. Now I configured how much? 300 Mbps. You see now? 300 Mbps. It was earlier 100 Mbps. I increased the throughput to 300 Mbps. After that, I saved the configuration. I reloaded the device. I started receiving to 300 Mbps internet. Understand more now? This is how you need to change. Okay. Yeah. So you see right here, show platform is a command to see device is which device, ISR 4331 router. Is it clear? This is how you can increase the device throughput. Device throughput. This is called device throughput. Okay. Yeah. Great. So after resolving this, issue got resolved. Okay. You can tell like that. So after replacing the device, my team is getting very low internet speed. So after logging into it, I checked that the throughput was 100 Mbps. I reconfigured to 300 Mbps with this configuration. So it is increased to 300 Mbps and issue got resolved after reload it. Okay. Yeah. That's the thing. Okay. Thank you.